Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just the other day did a video on this. And then I started thinking about maybe an easier way, and if you didn't watch part A, or this is actually part B, I think it's number 6, of turning an outline into an object. So we've got an outline, and I might have already turned it into an object, but I didn't. So now this might be an easier way to do it. Left click, right click, and you have something to fill in. And then you can take the Smart Fill tool and fill that with red and that with red and that with red. Now I would always take away my outline. And if you look really close, there might be a line there. There's not, but who knows? So what I would do is take that item, hold down the shift, take that item, hold down the shift, take that item, and combine them. That'll make it for sure not have a line there. And then you just take your ellipse and turn it blue. And you've got a perfect match. Maybe a little bit easier than moving the nodes. Because you could, move the nodes a little bit off one way or the other to make it perfect. The other thing I kind of started thinking about was when I did this the other day was I thought of thinking about reversing them and having two. Well, if we hit P, put it at the center of the page, and then, well, let's just do it. It's not going to work as good. You know what? Let's just take away these lines. Whoop, I went too far. Take away this line right now, and then and you could, to eliminate having that line, we could do this also. We could take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and then when we put in the red, the only thing that might cause us to have an ellipse problem. Let's see if we can still turn our ellipse blue. Nope, because see, we broke it. So now you have to take the Smart Fill tool on red or on blue and fill in the two parts, which is going to result you in the same thing. Now, Control D and make a duplicate and mirror this. Didn't really work because it's like I thought it was going to work. This is an object. Look at that. It's not, well, it's actually behind there. So that's probably, let's just try this. Control D again and mirror it. And then go to object order front of page. So it worked. And so you could do, and it worked pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. That's only if you've done it in the center of the page. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.